Hello, I'm Derek McKercher, founder and director of PSW Energy here in Western Australia. The models that we're going to talk today about are the AIKO 3P and 3S series solar panels. I would say 2 to 3 years we have been installing AIKO solar panels, and I got to admit, I love innovation, so I can't wait to dive into this product review. AIKO have been pushing the boundaries, and once it came to Australia, I had to get my hands on it. And so let's dive in. Well, first of all, I was attracted to AIKO by the specifications. When I first saw the product, my impression was mind-blown purely because there are no front bus bars. I think it's one of the best looking panels that are on the market, especially for the residential end user where aesthetics is a key component of what they're buying on a high-end product. In terms of performance, reliability and durability with AIKO, it's one of the best performing panels in the world in terms of specifications. How that actually plays out in the real world, well, unless you've got them side by side, you don't really know. But the feedback and what we're seeing on our monitoring platforms are sensational. But performance-wise, it has a partial shading optimization feature, which customers love. Reliability, we don't have problems with them. I think when you're presenting yourself as a premium solar panel in 2026, you really want to have that reliability down pat. They've got some of the best specifications in terms of hail resistance, in terms of heat performance, temperature coefficient, which is sensational. So all in all, a really good product for Australia. In Australia, the pricing difference for AIKO in comparison to your other big majors, Jinko, JA, Longi, you're looking at about a 10 to 20% premium for the technology. Now, I think that's exceptional value because it used to be almost it used to be twice the price to be able to access the technological advantage from the mainstream. So I think to have just a 10% or 20% gap for knowing that you're buying a product with the industry elite specifications, it's almost a no-brainer. AIKO, yes, you're paying a premium for the product, but you're not paying a premium like you once did for industry-leading technology. And I guess that's where it makes it, if it was my home, I'd put AIKO 3P modules on there. It's really only a small margin for a superior technology that you can adopt. And I don't think it would, but I guess some people don't see the value in it. Now, I'm really struggling with this. I should have given AIKO more thought, but I like it. I do it's just has been on the market for a little bit, and a lot of other products have caught up. And maybe does that justify the cost difference? Maybe not. The standard one is 25 years. Your hidden cost potentially is cleaning, and that's depending on where you live. If you live in a dusty environment, your costs are going to be higher sooner in terms of maintenance. If you're in an environment where you get regular rain and there's an optimal tilt on the panels, you probably don't have to worry about cleaning expenses or maintenance expenses as much as you would in more susceptible environments. Even though solar panels are rated or hail resistance rated, it's not guaranteed against hail shattering. So that's a force of nature. So people, if you do have a hailstorm, be prepared that you will still have to cover the cost of a solar panel if there's a breakage. Golf balls. We see it all the time of people who live by golf courses. Yes, that's an unforeseen cost that you will have with solar panels. If there was an alternative solar panel that I would choose other than AIKO, I love the Jinko All Black. It is a leading manufacturer. You're going to get good warranty support. In terms of the leaders in terms of the N-type TOPCon technologies, Jinko Tigo Neo is a great product. And in terms, the gap is quite small in terms of what they're doing. So installation and usability, it's going to be a 5. It's the ideal size. For performance and reliability, it's still early days, so we're going to give it a 4.5. Build quality and durability, 5. Value for money, 4.